Oh, listen, what was that beeping noise? Oh, what was that beeping noise? Holy smokes. Straight ahead, just, yep. Yeah, don't start to turn when you're carrying energy. All right, that's how you can tip up. Hey, what was that beeping noise right before touchdown? Huh.
Number 321 Bravo Tango, same intentions.
Going for another.
321 Bravo Tango, right turn Golf 2, contact ground point 6.
Right on Golf 2, ground point 6, 1 Bravo Tango.
Ah, you heard the beeping going off, right? And you just held it there when you hit the ground, by the way.
Arch 2108.
How much energy did you have left?
14, quick
Nothing.
takeoff, left turn out to the north approved.
Not much.
Clear for takeoff, left turn out to the north.
Yeah, you had nothing.
Disregard RV lights for 321 Bravo Tango, cleared 14 going for another.
RV lights for 32 Bravo Tango, clear to ground, number 14, taxi Golf, cross 6 right, 6 left on Golf.
14 via Golf, cross 6 left, 6 right on Golf, 1 Bravo Tango. I think the slip kind of shoot our carbon monoxide.
Oh, yeah, I would guess.
Because all the...
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. You heard the beeping, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be your goal all the time, to listen to that beeping, because when you hit the ground, that was as slow as you could hit and not be stalled.
And with that slip, I again missed accounting. So
How'd the landing go?
landing went very well.
You straightened out the airplane very nicely, and thumped down just fine.
Yeah.
Nice job. What we're going to see here is if we can get 2-4 right.
Okay.
Coming back in. So we'll take off on 1-4, and then we'll see if they'll let us get into the downwind for 2-4. We're going to come back in and land on 2-4 and call it. All right, that'll be number 6.
And because they put us in the right, and that's where we end up high, right? Because we had a right pattern.
Yep.
You know, so we ended up with the high. We had to slip because tailwind.
You had
on the base.
Base was really fast.
Yep.
Didn't give enough time to descend.
Yeah.
So this is where you would have had to chop all of your power beam to get yourself headed down. This is always looking at the wind and saying, okay, what's the penalty of the wind right now? Is it helping me, hurting me? What do I got to do to adjust to it? But nonetheless, you decided to slip, which is correct.
Yep.
All right, you got us down. We didn't land that much longer.
Yep.
Did a nice job.